Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something really interesting, a new AI-powered browser called Norton Neo. Neo is described as the world's first safe AI-native browser, designed to make your online experience smarter and more productive. Instead of juggling dozens of tabs or switching between different AI tools, Neo integrates AI directly into the browsing experience. In this video, I'll show you what Norton Neo is, how it works, and how you can get started using its key features. Let's begin. Norton Neo is designed as a browser that works with you, not just for you. It combines AI assistance, browsing, and productivity tools all in one place. Some of the main highlights include a magic bar that combines search, chat, and actions, instant AI summaries for websites and videos, is a tableless browsing experience that keeps things organized, and a built-in AI typing assistant that helps you write anywhere online. The idea is simple: make browsing smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. Getting started is very simple. First, visit neobrowser.ai. You'll see the homepage introducing the Neo browser. Just sign up with your email. Once you receive access, download the installer for your system, whether it's Windows or macOS, and install it like any other browser. When you open Neo for the first time, you'll go through a quick setup process. After that, you'll land on the main interface, where the magic bar becomes the center of your browsing experience. The magic bar is one of Neo's most powerful features, and instead of simply searching the web, you can ask questions, generate content, or perform actions directly from one place. For example, you could ask it to summarize an article, compare products, or help you draft an email. Another helpful feature is instant content summaries. Neo can quickly summarize articles, documents, and even videos, so you can understand the key information without spending too much time going through everything. Neo also introduces tableless browsing, which helps eliminate the common problem of having dozens of open tabs. Instead, Neo organizes your workflow automatically, making the browsing experience cleaner and easier to manage. There's also a preview feature, which allows you to quickly view information from links before opening them. This helps you decide whether the content is worth exploring further. Another useful tool is the built-in AI typing assistant. Whether you're writing emails, messages, or social posts, the assistant can help improve your grammar, suggest better wording, and help you write faster. Neo also offers smart reminders and personalized insights, helping you stay organized and focused during your online work. Overall, Norton Neo aims to create a browser experience that is smarter, safer, and simpler, especially for people who research, create content, or multitask online. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can visit neobrowser.ai using the link in the description. You can also join the Neo community on Discord to connect with other users and learn more tips about the browser. Let me know in the comments what you think about AI-powered browsers like this. Also, please highlight the configurable memory feature in your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.